Hello everybody. I would like to make you pay attention on a tiny brief thing. So, Milky Way galaxy, our Milky Way galaxy, you have very often seen on a video running behind me or on a photograph like this, for instance. I would like you to know that it's never actual photo. It's not actual photo taken from somewhere, but it's only just artist's impression. Why? Because in order to take photo like this, photo of our Milky Way galaxy, then it means that probe from where the photo is actually taken should travel extremely far away, like couple of million light years away, and they take a photo from that point. So obviously today it is impossible to travel that far away, and we don't even know if it ever will come possibility because there is vast distances needed to take photo like this. So unless we will have something like nuclear fusion or antimatter engine, which will take us somewhere a couple of million light years away, then it will be totally impossible. So whatever we see are not actual photos, but artist's impression. Of course, it's not just pure imagination. We like briefly know how Milky Way galaxy looks like. We know where the stars are. We can see from our planet Earth the tiny portion of Milky Way galaxy. So it's more or less accurately mapped, recreated, reconstructed, but still, it's never a photo. Remember, that's what for today. It is never a photo. Thank you. Bye.